Number one is awareness. Kailangan aware lahat ng tao, hindi lang yung owner, towards that vision or towards that direction to be till. At ano yung direction to be till? Where people are self-assured, self-motivated, and self-managed. Ngayon, bakit pinag-usapan natin yung ladder of success? Ask me why. Kasi ito yung magiging anchor ng mga tao na meron silang future sa kumpanya. Nagigets nyo? Kaya natin siya pinagdaanan. Kasi, pag inutusan yung tao, pero hindi naman ako sure kung ano bang future ko dito, bakit ko gagawin yan? Tama? That's why your ladder of success is your anchor. This is the reason why we're gonna be implementing a team organization kasi may future ka in this company. Now, kung ikaw naman yung employee, in the same way, ngayong aware ka na, pwede mo rin to ibenta sa organization mo. Ito po yung nakikita kong future in the company, pero ito naman din yung willing ako i-contribute para naman it's gonna be a win-win. So this is your anchor. First and foremost is awareness. Number 2, create actionable steps. Character and work ethics. There has to be an agreement. Mag-set tayo ng agreement of work ethics na lahat tayo mag-a-agree kasi kapag nag-agree tayo, I can now hold you accountable to your word. So, work ethics lang ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. I'm not expecting you to be perfect, but I'm expecting you to be on time. And then from that agreement, you will now hold accountability. You will use the methodology of coaching. And then after you do the coaching, nagagawa itong tatlo, medyo ma-effort pa rin on your end. It's no longer a people issue. This 3 is a people issue. Baka maybe this is a systems issue. Kasi kahit gaano kaganda yung sistema, pero kung yung tao mo yung problema, baliwala. That's why first 3 will always revolve around the people. If it's no longer a people issue, then now it can be a system issue. At least hindi ka nang huhula saan ang problema. There's a clear, describable measure. If may nagkaroon ng problem, alam mo agad what to solve. You're no longer fixing blindly. You're already solving solvable problems.